Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for fire sign Leo for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Leo, your messages. The first card for the reading. Wow, Empress. Okay, the World. And the third card, the Sun. Yeah, I think you both are in some long distance relationship. You or your person could be in different state, different countries, because the world card is here. But something positive is coming in your life because the Sun and the Empress, you stand by your power. And yeah, the Sun, some positive energy, some positive things coming in your life, Leo. So the world is here and the Empress is here. Yeah, one person in this connection is stand by their power and the Sun. So let's see some more, then we will get more messages. Death, King of Wands, and King of Cups. Yeah, I think one person in this connection undergoing some transformation. The Death is here and King of Wands and King of Cups. Definitely one person in this connection could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, and one person in this could be water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think one person is very passionate about the other person in this connection. They have strong emotions for the other person. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So, but one person stand by their power. Four of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Princess of Wands. Yeah, some communication. Yes, some communication is going to be happen between both of you. And Four of Pentacles, one person in this connection is very stubborn and they are not expressing their feelings to other person. It could be your person. Four of Pentacles means holding back their feelings, definitely. But in near future this person will express their feelings because Princess of Wands is here. Definitely they want to send message something to you. And Nine of Pentacles, yeah, one person is emotionally and financially not dependent on other person in this reading because Nine of Pentacles and Empress card. I think it could be you, Leo. I am getting because you working on yourself and you like this, the Empress and Nine of Pentacles energy, and you are very you stand by your power. And I think you are very passionate about your relationship, even though first you giving priority to yourself. I am getting still you have emotions for your person. I think you have emotions, you are not expressing your feelings to your person, or your person have strong emotions for you, they are not expressing. Yeah, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, and Queen of Cups. Two of Pentacles and Three of Wands. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship for sure. Yeah, because Three of Wands means long distance and waiting. Some waiting is going. I think you both are waiting for messages and calls from one another, but no one take action. I am getting Two of Pentacles. I think your person may be juggling between things. They have to make some decision, Leo. And Queen of Cups and King of Cups is here. Definitely you both are emotionally attached to each other, and you both have strong emotions for each other. King of Cups and Queen of Cups, you also have strong emotions for your person, and your person also have strong emotions for you, but you stand by your power. Something has happened between both of you. I am getting not separation, that is less contact or no contact like this, but not separation. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get more clarity. Leo, your person current feelings and action towards you. Wheel of Fortune, the Tower, Three of Swords. Yeah, something is happened already. I told you. Yes, definitely the Tower with Three of Swords. Your person may be feeling something sad, very sad for something happened between both of you. For some there is separation because the Tower with Three of Swords, definitely there is separation. Wheel of Fortune, definitely some things are changing in your person's life, in your person thinking way, definitely. this tower moment is already happened and it is going to be happen, but it shakes your person like this Three of Swords. But something good is here, Wheel of Fortune, because Wheel of Fortune is always for good. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Okay, the Strength, Ten of Cups, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, you will get some communication from your person. I think Ten of Cups, they want this happiness with you, but yeah, they stand by their power. The Wheel of Fortune means they've overcome this pain. Yeah, it will take time. Definitely your person will overcome this pain and they will become like this. And Ten of Cups with Queen of Swords, definitely they want this happiness with you, but they're very straightforward this type. If you're not giving what they want, definitely they will cut you off, because Queen of Swords is very straightforward. If you give, then I want this relationship, otherwise I don't want. That type character, this Queen of Swords. Because after the healing process, after they gain their power back, then they become like this. Your person now like a very straightforward, very stubborn. Still they have feelings for you, still they want this, but you also stand by your power, your person also stand by their power. So it neck to neck like this. So you both have to on same page, but something is happened between both of you. That's why there is, for some there is separation, for some there is no contact. You both still want this connection to go to next level. So Leo, let's see some cards from universe where this connection in your future is headed. Okay, the Hierophant, Two of Cups. Wow, yeah, still love is there between both of you. Lot of cards. I am not taking any of these. Okay, let's pull. Yeah, I think this juggling card is, maybe one person is juggling in this connection. Yeah, for some there is commitment issues in past, that's why some tower moment is happened between both of you. Yeah, you still have strong emotions for you, and here lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy also, or Aries, Leo, Sag, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All energies are here. Yeah, one person in this connection have to make decision, and Queen of Cups, definitely you both have strong emotions for each other. You both want this connection, still you both want to take this relationship to next level, because you both have strong emotions for each other. Two of Cups is here, and the Hierophant. Yeah, some commitment, something better is coming in this relationship, because you both are working on yourself. Definitely you both want to give another chance to this connection. Two of Cups with the Hierophant, definitely you both want each other. So let's see, Leo, your overall energy for the week. Wow, the Strength, Seven of Pentacles, and Princess of Pentacles. Yeah, you are very clear about what you want in this connection, and you are very creative. And you are doing your creative work also. You are concentrating on career also, because Nine of Pentacles is there. Definitely you are concentrating on your career. You are very creative and you want to do something new in your life. You always want to do new things in your life, and you want to create something new in your life. You are very passionate about it, definitely. And yeah, Seven of Pentacles, definitely you are working for something career wise also. Seven of Pentacles, you are investing somewhere in your life, definitely in another area of your life, like job, career, whatever. Definitely it will grow. Yeah, you will become like this, because you are working on yourself, Leo. You become like this. You're taking your power back. And your person overall energy for the month is the Moon, Six of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. You or your person could be in different cities, different countries, and different states. And the Moon, yeah, you or your person could be Pisces also. Yeah, the Moon is, there are some secrets are hidden in this connection. Your person maybe hide something from you, or you maybe hide something from your person, because there are some illusions, some disturbances still there between both of you. You have to clear these disturbances between both of you. Then definitely, because you both have strong emotions for each other, So definitely this relationship is going to be next level. If you both want to work on this relationship, definitely it will go to next level. There is no doubt about it. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.